My name is Hamad Al-Saghir. I'm the Chief Marketing Customer Experience here at NeoLeap. Actually, NeoLeap is newly to the market introduced, and we are, introducing lots of services towards the digital or the fintech markets. So we are reshaping the digital payments markets by introducing too many services towards the consumer market and also to the business market to enable them with a lot of solutions where they used to buy it from different vendors. Today they can buy it only from one source with a very innovative solution services. Yeah, so the market is looking for the very innovative solutions and services that can really enable them to grow and also to get more market share from their end. So we're supporting them actually to get very innovative solutions with very good pricing comparing to the market, and at the same time less operation because you buy it from one vendor. So I think this is an amazing solution to them. Long waiting because they used to be looking for one source to buy all this kind of services, and also from financial services, the customer or the end user, they're looking for the digital wallets that can really they can use it to get back cash back. They can buy online products when they can also for the international remittance, etc. A lot of services that we can provide to the market. Just wait and see. Leap is an amazing opportunity. After the COVID-19, we had long break. Such an amazing leap. So Leap, we are NeoLeap at Leap. So really, it's a leapfrog for everyone today to showcase all the services in front of this huge and amazing, attendance. I think the attendance may exceed hundreds of thousands of people, who can come here and see the latest technology that can really enable them and see, and get the future closer.